Right, what's going on, guys? So today we've got a little bit of a different video for you. As you can see, here's my Corolla. We're going to be doing a POV driving video. Got my helmet on. People love this sort of weird shit, don't they? So just thought I'd jump in, take the race car for a spin around town, get some reactions, see what people think. Just get a nice little POV video. Right, let's go. Make sure we're still filming. Look at that, that's good. I'm just laughing to myself because this is some weird shit right here. I'm putting my harnesses on, I've got to fucking lock the gate. What an idiot. Can anyone in the comments tell me what that says? This is so weird, I'm not gonna lie. You just have to not give a fuck, pretty much. Window rattles a fair bit. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this car is really easy to drive around town. Clutch is nice and light. Obviously steering's nice and light, got electric power steering. Really not bad at all. As you can see, there's not a lot inside here. Still need to finish off the door cards. Just bare metal at the minute. But what the plan is, obviously you can see I've still got the bracing in the doors. So I'm just going to chop all the metal out pretty much and just make it lightweight. That's the plan. Let this guy go. It never gets old. It never gets old. I hope the audio's alright. I hope you can hear the car and me. Oh, it's passing out. I think we might go for a KFC Drive-thru. I think it'd be rude not to. Oh, there's a police car right there. Oh god. I think we're alright. A few cars behind us, so. Yeah, even see it's all stripped out in here, it's not as loud as you think either. So you can hear the stones getting flicked up at the underbody, but other than that, it's pretty quiet in here. You can cruise about town. Even doing 60 mile an hour on a normal A road, it's absolutely fine. Obviously there's no radio, so there's no music, but as soon as you get over 6,000 revs, that's the music anyway. Yeah, I mean, people do motovlogs on a motorbike, why can't they do motovlogs in a car? So while this car is a track car, I did want to keep it still usable around town as well. So even with the splitter on the front, it can still clear all the speed bumps, everything it needs to. It doesn't scrape on anything. I didn't want a car that was only good for the track and not good for the road. It's summertime, sun's out, this car's my daily. It's a bit of a mad daily, but this gets used every day, so it has to be usable, which it is. I'm literally in stig mode right now, no one can see my face, I love it. Heading into town now, so let's see if we can get any reactions. Got a nice VXR in front of us. Very capable cars these, if no one knew. These GTC VXRs. But anyone who does know knows that the brakes are about £1,000 job to replace, so if you are looking to buy one of them, make sure it's had the brakes done, unless you're looking to spend £1,000 on some new brakes. Fun fact of the day for you. Bit of a vibe, not gonna lie. Just cruising in the race car, motovlogging. I could get used to this, 100%. Quite busy, no one seems to be looking just yet. Then again, no one's probably noticed. Hey, got a thumbs up. What a twat. getting some funny looks now, I tell you that. Oh my god. It's a mix of people seeing the car, thinking what the fuck, and then seeing me with a helmet on. Classic, we've got a fuel light. Knew that was going to happen at some point. Lovely Cleethorpes traffic. Currently doing 15 miles an hour. I'll tell you one thing, it's fucking hot in here. Just trying to decide what I want from Mackey's. Probably just going to get a drink. So Mackey's is looking stupidly busy. It's looking like a KFC's on the cards, to be honest. I'm only getting a drink, so here we are at the drive-thru in the race car. Can I just get a cherry Pepsi?
Cherry Pepsi, or was it regular or large?
Large one, please. That's it, thank you. Nice one. Most basic order ever. I needed some excuse to come here though. Right, this is me. Right, what are they going to say? Hey, alright. One sec. Nice one. Thank you. She did kind of give me a what the fuck look, I'm not gonna lie. Who wouldn't though? Who in the right mind takes the car out with a helmet on with a camera attached to it? That's great, thank you very much. See you later. Yeah, you got some paparazzi. Got some more here, look, fucking hell. I already know they fucking love that. Oh, that was me 10 years ago, standing on roundabouts filming cars. So we've been to Mackey's, or KFC, shall I say. Got a drink, now it's time for a fucking B-road blast. Bumpy this road, so we'll take it easy. We've just got to drive through this road to get to the road. So, but yeah, suspension's good, no knocks or bangs. Everything feels like it's moving as it should. Everything's moving in harmony, so that's all good. I don't remember this road being this bumpy. That's new as well. Bloody hell. Massive. I'll tell you what, this road feels awful. Absolutely awful. Right, we have arrived at the B road. drink, that's not going to work. Fucking rips, man. Big time. I need to figure out what that clicking is though when I come to a stop. It's weird. You might be able to hear it on video, I'm not sure. That was 60 pretty quick. Fucking hell. Right, unfortunately we are now out of fuel. We've had a good little blast out. I'm still on leftover fuel from Cadwell as well, so that's a bonus. Right then, I'm going to wrap this video up here. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you do want more content like this, which I'm guessing you do, because who the fuck doesn't, just trying to do something a little bit different to what everyone else is doing. You know, people doing motovlogs on motorbikes, but there's no people doing motovlogs in cars. I've got no problem whatsoever doing videos like this. Let me know where you want me to go, what you want me to see, what you want me to do. But yeah, anyways, I'll see you in the next one.